Hello guys, and welcome back to GUNK Collective. You're here today with me, Ayse the MUA, and I'm going to be showing you how I wash my afro hair. First things first, I like to fluff it out, break that gel a little bit more, really see what I'm working with and how dirty my hair is. As a pre-poo, I like to use some castor oil. I promise you it's not a bottle of rum. It's just in Jamaica they like to put natural castor oil in like pre-used like alcohol bottles. But when I use this, I like to scrub it deep into my roots. This is going to help my hair grow and help me keep my hair nice and moisturized, and just really help break down that gel as well. To deep condition, I like to deep condition first. I use the Garnier Foods Banana Dry Hair Moisturizer. that was a mouthful, and I just like to focus this on my ends, as the ends usually tend to get damaged the most, but also to keep that moisture in and to reduce the harshness of the shampoo I used. But I like to just fluff it in my ends, rub it in my scalp, rub it everywhere, you know, really get a nice layer, nice thick layer, nice moisturizing layer on my hair. And with my fingers, I like to finger separate it, like finger comb it. For shampoo, I go in with the Garnier Ultimate Blend Hair Food Banana Shampoo for dry hair. So I like to use the conditioner and the dry shampoo. So as you can see, I'm just washing out that castor oil and that deep conditioner out of my hair first. And then now I like to use that shampoo and I would like to really scrub it in my roots. I do blend towards the end because I did have gel in my hair, and the point of shampoo is to really cleanse your hair, but definitely focus it on the roots and my dry scalp and really like moisturize it. Now I'm going in with the Aussie Frizz and the Miracle 3-minute mask, and I focus that on my ends. I do bring it up to the root as I like comb through it with my fingers, but with conditioner and afro curly hair, if your conditioner does not make your hair curly, it is not a good conditioner, and I stress that. And the reason why I like to use the 3-minute miracle mask, but also because it's amazing, but also it helps those damaged curls come back to life. After washing that out, I am all done and my hair is all fluffy and ready to be styled.